Valley News Live 10 at 10 continues with No Wait Weather.
Decent day out there today. I mean, we had a little bit of a wind, but lots of sunshine, better than yesterday's clouds that we saw all day.
We're heading into the weekend.
Yeah, heading into the weekend. We do have some rain to talk about. If you're doing some running at the marathon, I think you're in good shape. We'll talk a little bit more about that here in just a minute. Live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Skycam, part of the Storm Team Skycam network, looking off towards the northwest, the airport, Fargo-Hector, right about there. Just a few clouds out there, and with most of the clear skies tonight, that's going to allow temperatures to take a nosedive. Right now, 52 degrees, those winds, still a bit of a breeze out there, winds out of the northeast at 12 miles per hour. If you missed the sunset, I'm going to get out of the way so you can take a look at this. A gorgeous sunset earlier as viewed from our tower cam here in South Fargo. Lots of colors out there, some fiery oranges and reds and even some bright blues once that sun got a little bit lower. Temperatures elsewhere across the region already down to 43 in Langdon, 47 in Devils Lake, 44 in Grand Forks, a pair of 45s in Roseau and in Baudette. Winds continue to slowly subside, still a little bit breezy in a few locations. They'll become very light tonight, and skies will remain mostly clear. Just a few high, thin cirrus clouds from time to time. Off towards the south, we'll see those clouds slowly build from south to north as we head through the overnight hours. Underneath what clouds we do have, no precipitation in our area. Seeing a lot of green, that's just a little bit of interference with our local area radar sites. Off towards the west and the south, got some rain in South Dakota. That changes to snow in the higher elevations in the Black Hills of South Dakota. And speaking of snow, tremendous amounts of snow over parts of the Rockies. Colorado Springs, 16 inches of snow. Cheyenne, over a foot of snow. And some of the higher elevations will end up with 2 to 3 feet of snow. Severe weather ongoing in parts of the southern plains. A couple of watches, the blue boxes, those are your severe thunderstorm watches. The red one, a tornado watch in eastern Oklahoma, and numerous severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings continue across that area. For us, as we head through the rest of the night tonight, we're going to see mostly clear skies, and that's going to allow temperatures to dip down into the 30s in many locations. Then we'll start to see those clouds build from south to north as we head through tomorrow, and they'll continue to race off towards the north. Increasing clouds as we head through the day, but it's going to be a dry day as we head through your Friday. Tomorrow night looks dry as well. It's when we go into the day Saturday where we'll see that chance of rain make its way on in. We do have a frost advisory out there. Counties highlighted in blue. Fargo-Moorhead not officially included in that, but I think we're going to get down close enough that we see a little bit of frost in parts of the region. So if you do have some tender vegetation outside, protect it, or if they're in the pots, bring them on indoors. Mid-30s with a chance for a little bit of frost here in the Fargo-Moorhead area tomorrow morning by lunchtime, though, warming it up nicely into the upper 50s and later on in the day into the mid-60s with increasing clouds. Picture of the day, a tower sunset, the water tower up in Hatton, North Dakota. Thanks to Andrew for sending that in. Going to use that as the background to our 7-day forecast. And again, tomorrow dry. Saturday rain, but it looks like that rain shows up later on in the day. So the marathon, I think, is dry. Rain shows up, it looks like sometime between 3 and 5 Saturday afternoon. It lingers through Saturday night and the early portions of Sunday. It may linger into Sunday afternoon in northern Minnesota. A few more showers Monday and Tuesday.
Regardless, it'll be brisk Saturday morning if you're out cheering on anyone.
And that high of 58 is early in the day. Once it starts raining, the temperature is going to take a nosedive.
Oh boy. Thanks, Robert.
You got it.
After a 40-year career, the community